Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's new. This time we talk about thousand flock to BTS J-Hope sold out Brooklyn show premiere new singer Mona Lisa. BTS J-Hope came to the North American leg of his tour. Hop on the stage with the two sold out and the show in the Brooklyn on May 30 or 14. And now, thousands of fans clamored at the Berkeley Center wearing their favorite BTS mark, many of whom have been writing and waiting over 5 years just to see J-Hope grace the stage in New York once more. And at the first solo tour since his debut 12 years ago, the K-pop all-star meticulously played lead artistic direction, creating a dynamic performance that pays homage to his music, hip hop, and his decade-long work with BTS. Jennifer Castro hugged her mark from the BTS map of the soul and the tour, which was cancelled to the COVID-19 pandemic, as she sat outside the Barclays Center with her friend observing the massive crowd. It has been a long time coming since she was able to see J-Hope, a man she described as a favorite artist due to his joyful and playful demeanor. This mark I got since the map of the Seoul tour, which got cancelled because of COVID, so I'm really excited to wear for the first time, Castro said. And we have been waiting. Her friend Tiana Lee joined in. He feel like home. It feel like wow, there are ideas who can comfortable being themselves, and it makes you feel good. And I love that about him. And affectionately known as Zami, supporter wearing their most intricate J-Hope and BTS theme outfit and exchange photo card, bracelet, and fan-made memorabilia of the beloved K-pop star as they waited to the Letty and let inside Barclays Center. Some even filmed themselves dancing to their favorite J-Hope song, like the newly released single "Sweet Dream" with Miguel. And days before the concert, the Big Apple get a taste of J-Hope's Sweet Dream song with numerous pop-ups. Fans were already eagerly rolling around New York City, rushing between the theme cupcake and the cupcake and banana pudding at the Mongolia Bakery in the Midtown and the personally curated flowers by J-Hope himself at Jenny's house in the matchpacking district. Fans say this is personal touch and the bestowed upon the city in their concert experience so much more for 90 years and the gentleman's imagined. This thoughtfulness is what makes J-Hope such a beloved artist. And J-Hope basically saved my life because I was so sad at one point and he was there for me with this music. And the Amati said, adding that it is important for her to show support for all of his endurers and the love for J-Hope emanated from the crowd inside the arena where thousands of lights glowed brightly, matching the stage color theme. The animated energy from fans explored the traditional BTS chant and they made during the rendition of the mic drop to their adoring cheer for this unreleased single Mona Lisa to be among the first to hear the love song live. Fans said, and there was a moment that would never forget. The song, which paid tribute to celebrating unique beauty, was said to be a love letter to BTS Army. J-Hope performance not only nodded to his first mixtape, Howard, and his song with global iconic and the icon BTS, but also paid homage to New York City history of hip hop street dance style like breathtaking and the popping, locking, and more. And the strong army member like the Julia Hakin were left in the chair upon the concert culmination. And she said the experience was emotional after waiting as long to see J-Hope on stage and finally receive the love and support she believed her deserve. And I'm just too happy to see J-Hope perform at this large capacity and having a sold out show for a day one and day of the two of New York. It just makes me feel so warm and so excited that it's finally getting the recognition and happiness to deserve. J-Hope, I'm really proud of you. I'm really happy for you. I just can't wait to see what you do in the future. Keep going. I love you. Hawkins said cheerfully. Hop on the stage will continue to span across 50 cities worldwide with 31 shows in total, including United States, stop in Chicago, Mexico City, San Antonio, Oakland, and Los Angeles. For those who are still riding the clock star of energy from the concert, fans were able to stop the Monocrite rooftop bar in the Harlem Square for the Upmania Army on stage with the DJ Mary through the and Panamania Media were organized a BTS club night in New York City with the theme Army on the stage for BTS Army to celebrate J-Hope's solo tour and build anticipation for all 7 BTS members to reunite 2025. DJ Mary said, I hope you will enjoy this video, like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.